Hi, I'm Steve Clifford, and I'm the training manager at Sheehy Toyota of Fredericksburg and Stafford, Virginia. This is going to be a quick video today just to show you one cool little feature on some of our vehicles. And honestly, I don't even remember what all vehicles we have this in. I know that it's in the Limited Highlanders, Grand Highlanders. I know it's in the Crown. I'm sure it's in several others too. Tundras. I know it's in a lot of the Tundras. But this is something you can go out and give a try and see how it works for you. And what it is a parking assist by angling your mirrors down when you shift into reverse. So with this, I'm going to shift into reverse, and when I do, you're going to see that both outside mirrors tilt down automatically. Shift into park, and they go back to their regular position. That makes it a lot easier to back yourself into a parking space. Sometimes you might think that it stopped working. Here's why. Your mirror selector needs to either be at left or right. If it's in the middle position, it doesn't work. So if it's in the middle position, I'm going to shift into reverse here, and the mirrors just stayed right in place. Now, when you're in reverse, if you then toggle it into left or right, they do tilt down. And then again, when you shift back into park, they'll rotate back up. So just kind of a cool little feature. Again, don't ask me which models this is in. I don't remember, but give it a try with yours. Turn that mirror selector to either left or right, shift into reverse. If the mirrors drop down, you know you have it. So, I'm Steve Clifford. I hope this has been helpful.